Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, kahit na mga genius pa, scientist pa kayo, or sila, or mga wizards pa, may mga agimas pa, Marvel super powers, or may mga Star Trek technologies pa, o Starfleet pa rin. Ako meron na akong business companies, buildings and properties. Meron na akong yaman. Kahit na di na ako genius ngayon, or in high school. Meron nga nagka-breakthrough compression algorithms ako in 2008-2009. It's evidenced in my emails that time period 2008 to 2009. Although baka meron akong breakthrough compression algorithm in year 2000 pa to 2002. Year 2000 to 2002 and then 2005 again. And then 2006 again December 2007. Pero pinaka-evidence ng breakthrough compression algorithms ko talaga 2008-2009 dahil that time email ako ng emails. That's another breakthrough, that's another millions of dollars for me. Dapat those breakthrough compression algorithms for me. I actually own Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and Apple, and Nvidia. I own or co-own them. Technically, I own majority ownership shares of Microsoft and Google, and I co-own Apple, Samsung, Nvidia, and Facebook. Gawa ko rin Facebook. In 1970s. Ngayon, 1970s, early 80s, meron na kaming Z-Standard. Meron na kaming Z-Standard. So I remember that. Z-Standard. Kaya ginawan ko ng or texted about Z-Standard. Or I created breakthrough compression algorithms equivalent or better than Z-Standard compression program in 2008 to 2009, which I emailed them, Facebook, and other tech companies. I am ordering them to pay Tamayo now immediately. It's very simple to understand. I own or co-own their tech companies, their tech giant companies. Pay Tamayo now.